Alright, we got the Chevy Kodiak with bad bearings. As you can see, the whole hub with the disc and everything came off because the bearings are bad. That's a bad race. You can't even see any of the rollers left on it. But that's what happens when you have a bad bearing or it runs out of lubrication. Still see some nasty grease in here, so I'm not sure what happened here, but the only thing that's holding it on right now is the brake line. Just hanging here, it's on a jack stand. That'd be a Bud wheel. That'd be the bearing race right there. Ooh, that baby got hot.